Lately, a lot of people have been asking, is Chargent a replacement or competitor to Salesforce Billing? I think it's a great question. Let's take a closer look. In order to answer this question, we're going to start by simply comparing the advertised features of Chargent and Salesforce Billing. Salesforce Billing is an add-on made by Salesforce that automates the entire billing process, and it focuses heavily on your invoice management. The product's actually incredibly detailed with how it helps businesses manage their invoice process. With Salesforce Billing, you can easily take all the line items from an order and have them fully integrated into your invoices with just a few clicks. In short, Salesforce Billing helps you figure out how much needs to get paid and when it needs to get paid. Salesforce Billing loves invoices, and it's actually quite good at them. Chargent doesn't do invoices. Actually, see our video about frictionless payments to see how we really feel about the situation. But in short, we're not into it. However, Chargent helps you collect on your invoices. In fact, I think our payment request feature makes collecting on your invoices drop dead simple. So if your business needs to make invoices based on usage or even one-time subscription payments, then it's possible you want Salesforce Billing if those things are more sophisticated. But when you want to get easily paid via a bank account or a credit card, then that's where Chargent gets involved. So put another way, use Salesforce Billing to figure out how much needs to get paid, and then use Chargent to get paid quickly by your customers. Not to brag too much, but Chargent's pretty amazing at payment processing. And we actually know we're good at it because more than 250 of our awesome customers took time to write AppExchange reviews telling us so. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for writing those reviews. As of today, you've made Chargent one of the 20 best reviewed applications on the AppExchange out of the 3,400 applications out there. Okay, back on track. So these 250 plus 5-star reviews, they do make us very confident that we're great at what we do. One other place where Chargent can help Salesforce Billing customers is that today at Chargent we support over 30 different gateways, which means that we can support merchants and customers in over 190 countries. With Chargent, you can take any credit card from any of your customers globally. We also support cardless payments. Take payments directly from bank accounts. You may also use multiple gateway records. You can direct funds to many different bank accounts. You can create any payment process you can imagine. And we are fully focused on being the best payment application on the AppExchange. With Salesforce Billing, they do support 4 of the most popular gateways out there. This works in many countries. And we know that this does work well for a number of businesses. See, while Salesforce Billing is a best-in-class billing application, Chargent is a best-in-class payment application. It's all we do. It's what we focus on day after day so that we can be great at it. As you are likely putting together yourself, Chargent and Salesforce Billing, we make a great team. The two can work hand in hand to give your customers a great experience, as well as ensuring that taking payments is easy for your collections and finance teams. Want to learn more about using both of these applications to make your customers' experience great? Please do reach out. We are here to help. Hey, thank you for watching our video. And while you're here, please subscribe to our channel. Click that notification bell for immediate updates. And if you'd like to talk payments, please get in touch. We're always here to help.